Hi everyone and welcome. It's Jenny and I'm here at Dollar General and I've got some awesome news for you that you want to know. So go ahead, before we go in the store, give the video a thumbs up and I'm going to tell you about it. And if you're not one of our crazy friends, well, we want you to be a crazy friend. So hit the subscription button and the notification bell below. That way you don't miss any of our deals, glitches, free stuff, or awesome information that we have here almost every day. And this is that kind of awesome information, guys. So make sure you share with your friends. And of course, everybody check those YouTube notifications because you know there's things are going on. Holy moly, like I said, there's things going on, not only on YouTube, but at the Dollar General. And well, let's talk about it. Do you see where we're at, guys? I think I told you probably last month to start taking notice of your clearance because we were eventually going to have a clearance sale. Well, that eventually is now, guys. Yes, we are having a clearance sale. And it's going to include all of this stuff right here. And do you know what's on the clearance right now? You've got Tide, you've got Gain, you've got Downy on clearance. And I know you want to know when it is. For right now, first dates I have is May 12 and 13 is the earliest dates I have, but you know sometimes that changes. So make sure you go check all your stores and take pictures, and that way when the clearance sale is going on, if it's still on the shelf, you'll know to check it out, and you'll also know right where it is when you get there. You'll be able to go right towards it. And we've got coupons for a lot of this stuff. Like we've got coupons for Crazee, we got coupons for this Dove, which I might try to do this deal anyway real quick because there's two of them. But look at all this stuff. That L'Oreal is down here. Hopefully those coupons last till that long. We'll have to go through our coupons to see what expires before then. So that's the hottest news going on right now. But we've got, deals that we can do right now, today. And I'm going to show you those. Okay? Okay. Now, if you're in a newer operating system store, and these are the only stores that you have to work with, well, you can take advantage of that $3 Glitching Crest coupon as well, but in a little bit different way, because it's really good to save half price no matter what you get. So the coupon is for $3 off of 2, and here is the Bright and Clean toothbrush. So we're going to pick up one of those. Okay, that $1 Crest coupon is attaching to this $5 Crest mouthwash as well as the $3. So this is $5 and the toothbrush is $1. That's $6. You'll be getting $3 off. So your purchase should be $3 for both items. Now that's a win-a-win, a chicken dinner kind of deal, guys. Okay, and I did find our new coupon for this Scope Squeeze, and it's a concentrate that you add to water, you know, kind of like the drink mixes. It is $7. So that is your other optional Crest deal, 50% off. So there you go, guys. That's all I've got for you right now, and we'll talk again real soon because I'm always looking for more. Blessings.